What is a matchman? Match burns itself, illuminating the darkness. From ignition to extinguishment to ash, it takes less than 10 seconds. Brief and ordinary, yet it showcases the greatest volume, burning itself to light the darkness, igniting another match, completing the relay of life. Matchman. Outstanding because of simplicity, cherishes the fleeting time of life, focuses on utilizing talents to add value to life, knows who they are, understands the purpose of living, possesses integrity, maintains a positive attitude, thinks positively, acts consistently with words, and is outstanding in the crowd due to their simplicity, exerting an extraordinary influence on life.
你正在收看的是《火柴人》The Matchman。